Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlists in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 6, Bhagwan ke Dakiye. Bhagwan means God, Dakiye means postman. Okay, so postman of God. Now let's just read the poem. पक्षी और बादल ये भगवान के डाकिये हैं जो एक महादेश से दूसरे महादेश को जाते हैं। हम तो समझ नहीं पाते हैं मगर उनकी लाई छिट्टियाँ पेड़ पौधे पानी और पहाड़ बाँचते हैं। सो पक्षी और बादल, पक्षी मीन्स बर्ड, बादल मीन्स क्लाउड। बर्ड्स एंड क्लाउड्स ये भगवान के डाकिये हैं। दे आर द पोस्टमैन ऑफ गॉड। डाकिये मीन्स पोस्टमैन, भगवान मीन्स गॉड, जो एक महादेश से दूसरे महादेश को जाते हैं। महादेश मीन्स कॉन्टिनेंट। ओके, सो दे ट्रैवल फ्रॉम वन कॉन्टिनेंट टू अनदर कॉन्टिनेंट। एक महादेश मीन्स वन कॉन्टिनेंट टू दूसरे महादेश, अनदर कॉन्टिनेंट। हम तो समझ नहीं पाते हैं, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। समझ नहीं पाते हैं मीन्स वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। मगर उनकी लाई छिट्टियाँ, छिट्टियाँ मीन्स लेटर्स, उनकी लाई मीन्स द लेटर्स ब्रॉट बाय देम। मगर मीन्स बट द लेटर्स ब्रॉट बाय देम, पेड़ पौधे पानी और पहाड़ बाँचते हैं। बाँचते हैं मीन्स दे चेक इट आउट और दे रीड इट। ओके, सो वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड बट the letters brought by them are read by trees, plants, water and mountains. पेड़ मतलब trees, पौधे, plant, पानी, water, पहाड़, mountain. So in first paragraph, the poet is telling birds and clouds, they are the postmen of God, those who go from one continent to another. We don't understand, but their letters are read by trees, plants, water and mountains. Okay, so now let's move on to the second para. हम तो केवल यह आंकते हैं means we just assume it or we just figure out that, we just understand that कि एक देश की धरती, हम तो केवल यह आंकते हैं, we only assume that कि एक देश की धरती दूसरे देश को सुगंध भेजती है। हम तो केवल यह आंकते हैं कि एक देश की धरती दूसरे देश को सुगंध भेजती है। सुगंध मीन्स फ्रैग्रेंस, गुड स्मेल। ओके, सो हियर द पोएट इज टेलिंग वी ओनली अस्यूम दैट वन लैंड ऑफ अ कंट्री सेंड्स फ्रैग्रेंस टू अनदर कंट्री। सुगंध भेजती है मीन्स सेंड फ्रैग्रेंस। ओके, और यह सौरभ हवा में तैरते हुए पक्षियों की पांखों पर तीरता है। सौरभ हवा मीन्स प्लेसेंट विंड और द विंड फिल्ड विथ फ्रैग्रेंस। ओके, पक्षियों की पांखों मीन्स पक्षियों की पंखों मीन्स विंग्स। सो वी जस्ट assume that one country's land sends fragrance to another country, and that fragrance travel on the wings of these birds. Okay, we just assume that पक्षियों की पांखों पर तैरता है, that means they travel on the wings of the birds. और एक देश का भाप दूसरे देश में पानी बनकर गिरता है। एंड वन कंट्रीज वेपर showers on another country as rain. Bhap means vapor because in some countries it will be very hot and the water gets vaporized, and what happens with the wind? The cloud moves on and they won't get the rain. The rain is showered on some other country because the wind took the cloud and the cloud starts raining there. So what the poet is trying to tell is that these are our assumptions, but for God or but for clouds or for birds, there are no such boundaries like this country, that country. For them, the whole earth is the same thing. The cloud takes the vapor or takes the water from the earth and it showers to the earth itself. But for us, it is divided into one country, two country, not even that, into states, into cities. We have divided them according to our wish. But for birds or clouds, they are taking the water from the earth and they are showering there itself. And even the birds, they are taking the fragrance with them from the earth and they are spreading to the earth itself. So for them, these are not the boundaries. For us, it is like we tell that from this state, the water, the clouds have taken water and it's moving. That's why it has gone to some other states. But for them, for the clouds, for the birds, there is no like geographical boundaries. For them, only their home is earth. So they fly freely from one continent to another continent. They even don't know it's a continent. For them, the earth is their home as a whole. So for us, we are differentiating it. But for birds and clouds, they all are the same. Okay. So that is the summary of the poem. The poet is telling for birds and for clouds, they are the postmen of the God. They travel from one continent to another continent, but we don't understand, but their letters are read by trees, plants, water and mountains. But we assume that we only assume that the one land's fragrance is traveling to the another land, but for them they are spreading the fragrance all across the earth. For them there is only one land, but for us it is differentiated into countries and continents. And next he is telling that one country's vapor is showered on another country as rain. But for them or for the clouds, they are taking the vapor from the same land and dropping it as rain or showering it as rain in the same earth. So there is no differentiation for them, but for us we are differentiating. So hope you understood the poem. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.